Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be very motivating, hopefully. I'm by myself today with all 5 kiddos. My husband is in the recording studio all day, so I also need to get this house ready in very little time because we're getting ready to leave on a business trip. So I would like to take you along with me and introduce you to my 15 minutes challenge. I know that many YouTubers do kind of the same thing, like the 1 hour challenge or 30 minutes with their phones, but for me personally, I found out that if I go around with my phone, it's very distracting. So I like to do it old-fashioned, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set up the timer in my oven. So what it is, I basically go from room to room and try to pick up and get as much as possible done within the time. So it's not like a deep cleaning, but it just allows me to get those rooms organized the best I can for the time that I have, because it's gonna be kind of a handful with all 5 kids today. So I'm gonna try to do my best to take it along with me, and I do hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and now let's get started. Alright you guys, so I'm done with this room. I'm really pleased with the results. Hi Ariana, still didn't hear the beeping, so maybe I have a couple of minutes left. There you go, time to move to the next room, guys. Right Ariana, ready to come with mommy? Let's go, love. Alright Ariana, does it look like we're done with this task too? I guess we are, sweetie. So there you go, shelves done, books all put together. Yeah. the laundry is getting done. I prepared already my dryer because this time I'm not gonna dry my clothes in the drying rack since we need to pack and leave tomorrow. So I won't have time for that. But here it goes. So that's the laundry room all taken care of. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, and by the way, I just wanted to show you that I keep carrying this basket all around the house, and when I found stuff that doesn't belong to the room that I've been cleaning, just goes in there, and then at the end of my 15 minutes challenge, I just go and see if I can get rid of some stuff or if I can place it where it belongs. So I got Mr. Leo here. Hi to everybody. You just can't wait for the pizza to be done, don't you? So I just put the clothes into the dryer, guys, while the pizza is cooking. So I still go 9 minutes here, ready to be folded. And let's go check out on the kiddos. And they're all here, just playing a little bit, entertaining each other, which is good for mommy. And baby Ariana, she's still napping. What you got there, Denise? Got your collection? That is super sweet, love. Are you gonna take those with you, love? Yeah, and a couple of tracks too, right? Alright, so I also got the bathroom taken care of. This is great. Ariana is still napping. She's ready to wake up in a little bit. And I just need to wash the white rag here. And this room is also ready to go. So look how it's awake, you guys. Hi, Ariana. I was just talking about you, you know that? She's awake now, ready to help mommy, right? I do and you undo. Is that your job? You kitty. Alright, you guys, ready to have a bite to eat first? Yeah? So we're gonna take a quick little break, you guys. Ariana needs to have lunch. Yeah? And then we continue. Just got the living room, the bedroom. Yes, and the kitchen left. We're gonna be making it by the end of the day, right? Do you feel optimistic? Yeah. Let's do it. Alright, so this is what the bedroom is looking like right now. Definitely needs to be refreshed and to have a couple of things put back where they belong. I just finished to film our packing video. Well, definitely go check it out. And it's time for mommy to get to work here, right, Ariana? Ariana. Hi, sweetie. Alright, let's get ready. Alright, so this room was an easy task to clean. Hi Ariana, you helped mommy, didn't you? This room is looking good. I'm happy with that. Let's move on to the next one. And it did take me a couple of extra minutes instead of 15 minutes. It took me like 17, 18 minutes. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, we got Mr. Leo here. What are you drawing, Leo? Huh? Is it a blue color? Yes, say blue. So the kitchen got done, that's perfect, and now I only got the stove that I'm gonna be cleaning right after I'm done making dinner, right guys? Thank you for helping mommy today. We got everything done.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. And Leo is showing the spaghetti.
Can I have
Boy. Yes,
No.
you can. Oh,